did we just unlock stuff for humans that no one's ever done before?
I think so. We really have built the Grafana for life. And this is appealing to a certain kind of data-driven person who wants that dashboard, just see their life. They want that almost video game experience where you can bring up your character sheet. How am I doing? But there's this other just passive benefit that we get when we can gather that data for ourselves, make it unambiguously our own, stored in a way that is designed to last the rest of your life. Mm-hmm. There are so many secrets buried in your life because our brains are not good at collecting discrete data and noticing small changes over time. Computers are great at that. If you harness the computers in your life to capture that longitudinal data, then you can discover incredible things about yourself.